This video will teach you how to unlock a read-only PowerPoint manually. Otherwise, you can click Edit Anyway within the banner. Open the PowerPoint project. Click the File tab. You'll see this in the upper left editing ribbon above the document space next to Home. Click Info, a menu will expand. Click Protect Presentation. You'll see this with an icon of a lock to the right of the Info menu. Click Mark as Final. Clicking here will undo the lock and remove the presentation protection. The Read-Only text is gone from the title, and the yellow banner will disappear, which means you can edit the PowerPoint. To return the file to Read-Only, go to the File tab. Click Info, Protect Presentation, and click Mark as Final. Click the OK button. The file is now marked as Final. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.